Hi, it's Rob here in Bath at DermaGuru. Today I wanted to talk to you about a specific patient journey that I had in clinic with Rosanna here. She came in for one of my Forlle'd Oxygenating facials. She came in and she said to me, "Look Rob, my skin's just really dehydrated at the moment, it feels a bit dull, I just need a bit of an oomph, a bit of va-va-voom as we say." So instantly I knew that if we go in with a Forlle'd one, it's going to still give that element of therapeutic treatment. She's going to be able to have a relaxing time, have that lymphatic massage, but still get the same results that she deserves and needs. So we did the Forlle'd Oxygenating Facial for a couple of reasons. One, we needed some deep dermal hydration with specific bio-revitalization solutions within Forlle'd, and I have spoken about those in another video as well, so I won't bore you today. But we used those specific cocktails for her, mixed them together and applied it. We then applied the gel mask, which creates the mild carboxy therapy treatment, which increases oxygen flow and capillary function to the skin. Then her skin would have drunk up all that lovely hyaluronic acid, that nano low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is also key within the Forlle'd treatments because it's far more bioavailable, much more easier for the skin to absorb and go straight into the dermis. We then treated her skin with some more facial massage with specific serums such as the P-Effect serum, which is brilliant at revitalizing and increasing the glow of the skin with hyaluronic acid, nanoparticle minerals, all kinds of lovely good stuff. And then we finished off with a lovely nourishing cream to help moisturize, restore that lipid barrier, increase her capillary function to her skin, and most importantly, give her that glow that she really wanted. So if this sounds a bit like your own patient journey, I think this would be really important for you to come in, have a little conversation with me, have a little consultation, and we can see if that's going to be right for you. But Forlle'd Oxygenating Facial is a tremendous profoundly moisturizing treatment that will not only leave you feeling super relaxed and pampered, but give you some real results that will last weeks after. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.